Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting tempo, time signature, and sample rate, so your grid and samples stay consistent. Create a software instrument track and load Drum Machine Designer or Ultra Beat. This gives you tactile pads without a keyboard. Use the piano roll with your mouse to draw a basic kick, snare, and hi-hat pattern. Click and drag to shape velocity for groove. Once done, duplicate the pattern to build a loop. Make sure to save a version project so you can revert if you change direction. Next, craft bass and melodic interest without playing notes live. Use step input or the brush tool in the piano roll to place low bass notes. Pick a sub or synth bass patch and adjust filter cutoff to sit under the kick. For movement, add Logic's arpeggiator or use MIDI transform to humanize timing and velocity. Layer a short melodic motif with scale quantize set to a key. This ensures note choices are musical. Once arranged, bounce short sections to audio to lighten CPU. Finish by arranging your loop into a full track. Copy sections, create variation, and automate filter cutoffs, reverb sends, and volume to build energy. Mix using subtractive EQ, gentle compression, and sidechain the bass to the kick for clarity. Route similar elements to buses for cohesive processing and check loudness with LUFS meters. Export final stems or a mastered bounce. If you hit glitches or CPU spikes, resample heavy instrument tracks to audio and freeze or increase buffer size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.